Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair a 32-inch Amstard LED TV with a sound okay but no display problem. As you can see, when tapping on the display, the white light flashes. This TV comes with a 32-inch Samsung panel using an SM4186 Dc IC. Due to internal shorting in the gate signals, this DC IC goes into protection mode and does not generate the basic panel voltages such as VGH, VGL, etc. First, we cut the right side gate signals. If the picture is okay, then nothing needs to be done. If the picture is not okay, we rejoin the cut tracks and then cut the opposite side. As you can see, after cutting the right side gate signals, the problem remains the same. So we rejoin the cut tracks and then cut the left side gate signals. After cutting the left side gate signals, the picture appears but with vertical lines. In this condition, panel replacement is the only permanent solution. This display is not reparable because the gate signals on both sides are shorted. So that's it, friends. I hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you want, I can also make it sound more confident, technical, or casual depending on your audience.